What's up guys, and welcome to Winter Park. Today we're skiing the Mary Jane side of Winter Park. Didn't take us too long to drive up here from Golden, maybe like an hour and 15 minutes, depending on the ski season and how late it is, but today there is such good conditions that we're up here. I'm pretty excited. When we initially got to the resort, the main ski line was a little bit packed up, mainly because the lifts hadn't been running for too long. But it didn't take us more than 5 minutes to actually get on the lift, and once we did, we pretty much had no problem with access to lifts. Currently riding the 2-seater up on the Mary Jane side, and maybe waited for like 2 minutes in line. But the conditions today are pretty darn good. It's a little overcast and it's about 20 degrees, but on the way up here, it was howling wind like crazy. So we're actually pretty excited that we're closer to the southeast side of the mountain so that there isn't any wind going on. But it's our second day out, so let's have a day. All right guys, we just finished up at Winter Park. Like I said, the conditions were actually really good today. I was actually really surprised. We got a little bit of a snowstorm a couple days ago, but I did not think the snow was going to be that good. I definitely would have brought my powder skis, my better skis, instead of my early season skis if I had known how good the snow was going to be. As far as COVID and everything like that goes, I think a lot of you know, but if you don't know, you have to reserve a spot on the website, more specifically the Icon website. So you individually have to register. So you can't just register one person and then expect to bring a carload of people up here. You have to individually register for the ski resort itself. But the Mary Jane side was really good. They had all 4 of their lifts on the Mary Jane side running, besides the back side when you get up there. Going forward, we're gonna be stopping in Winter Park real quick to fill up our tank, and then also to find a coffee shop in town. So I know there probably is one there that's gonna be up to par. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you had any questions or comments about the resort itself or how things are running during COVID, I would definitely like to help you out. So comment down below if you had any questions on that as well. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and have a great rest of your day.